Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Manzil. So in today's video we will discuss some important English words. Let's begin. First word is conventional, which is an adjective which means normal. Synonyms are standard and regular. Antonym is original, and the example sentence is a conventional morality had dictated behavior. Next one is unacceptable, which is an adjective which means intolerable. Synonyms are insufferable, unsatisfactory, and antonym is acceptable. Example sentence is his behavior was unacceptable. Next word is wrangle, which is a noun which means takrar or argument. Synonyms are dispute, disagreement, and antonym is agreement. Example sentence is an insurance wrangle is holding up compensation payments. Next is inclusive, which is an adjective which means samaveshi or all in. Synonyms are all inclusive, comprehensive, and antonym is exclusive. Example sentences they have menus stating fully inclusive prices. They have menus stating fully inclusive prices. Next one is implicit, which is an adjective which means antarnirhit or implied. Synonyms are indirect or inferred, and antonym is explicit. Example sentences comments seen as implicit criticism of the policies. Next is illicit, which is an adjective which means avaidh or illegal. Synonyms are unlawful, illegitimate, and antonym is licit. Example sentences she was in possession of illicit drugs. Next is deem, which is a verb which means manna or consider karna. Synonyms are judge or adjudge. Antonym is misjudge. Example sentence is the event was deemed a great success. Next is destructive, which is an adjective which means negative. Synonyms are hostile, antagonistic, and antonym is constructive. Example sentences one should never practice destructive criticism. Next is moratorium, which is a noun which means embargo or roke. Synonyms are ban or prohibition, and antonym is permission. Example sentence is a moratorium has been put on the use of drift nets. Next is indispensable, and the last word of today. Indispensable is an adjective which means essential. Synonyms are crucial or necessary, and antonym is dispensable. And example sentence is he made himself indispensable to the parish priest. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much.